All right, so here's where I'm going to issue a challenge. You could go a lot further with this. Once you're crawling the web, you could do things like fetch images. Um, you could fetch anything that looks like it's an Amazon S3 server and figure out whether or not there's a bucket there. I've got some automated tools that I utilize for like bug bounty hunting where it verifies whether or not we're looking at an S3 bucket and whether or not that bucket has its permissions configured correctly. So you can go pretty deep with this stuff. Here's what I'd like you to do. And hopefully you're one of those people that looks at this and goes, wow, what can I automate? Go to hackaday.com or some other website. Okay. And now let's do Hackaday. I want everyone to use hackaday.com. And when we look at the source code here, you can see that we have the same kind of a thing. We have our up-close look at the first Martian helicopter. And we can see that we have a snippet that goes along with it. And you can see that we have a link, right? So here's what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to create a program that extracts all of the titles from hackaday.com. I'd like you to extract the snippet underneath it. And I'd like you to extract the link that goes along with it as well. So let me go ahead and put that in a document here. I'll put this as final challenge. All right. From hackaday.com, scrape the following. All right. Article titles. In this case, grab the article snippets and then grab the article links. All right. And just get them to print out. And if you can show me that you run your scraper with a screenshot and it produces something that we saw before where it looks like we see titles, and you can show me a screenshot where I see title, snippet, and then link, you'll get credit for that. Good luck. And if you've got an idea, maybe Hackaday doesn't work for you and you're like, you know what? I want to do something different that's like better. Talk to me. We'll make a deal.